What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to identify unknown numbers from other apps using the Truecaller app. So as you can see here, I have the Truecaller app. I'm going to open this app right here, then click the upper left hand side to your account or your profile, scroll down and go to the settings. Then you want to go to calls, and if you scroll down you will see the feature that says number identification, identify numbers on other apps. So you can identify unknown numbers on other messaging apps as well. So just simple toggle that feature on, and you want to go ahead and click and enable, and of course you want to go ahead and ensure that you allow that on your phone. So as you can see here, you will need to ensure that this is enabled, right? So you have the Truecaller app here, scroll down, toggle that feature on as you can see here, and you'll be able to actually use that. So that's how you want to go ahead and do that, guys. So go ahead and go to your settings, as it says you require notification access for the Truecaller app to identify a number. You want to ensure that you do that, and you will just go ahead and proceed with doing all of that. So pretty easy, guys, pretty easy, pretty simple. Come find it and ensure that you toggle it on, allow it, and you'll be able to enable that feature as you can see right here in the application. And that's it.